everyone, I'm Taylor Jones with PCTV. If you're a car enthusiast, there's no place you would rather be at than Pittsburgh's vintage Grand Prix. I'm surrounded by all types of specialty and exotic cars, so start your engines and come follow me throughout this car showcase.
With 6 cities, and this is our final stop.
Oh, all right. So, are you enjoying yourself?
It's amazing. Actually, it's my first time doing this.
All right. So, do you have a passion for cars?
Absolutely.
What is your passion? What do you like about cars?
I like the styling and the diversity of the different brands and the uniqueness of each one of the individualized cars.
So why do you attend the Grand Prix?
I think just because of the cars. Just, it's a fun event. It's great for the city of Pittsburgh.
Do you think it brings people together?
Absolutely. It has a wide swath of people that it cuts across. I think everybody can get excited about spending a little bit of time outdoors looking at really cool cars.
Best part about the Grand Prix to you?
To me, is the race day. I like the races.
So, for people that haven't been to these events, what would you tell them?
Take it all in. This is the first time we've been down to here to the tune-up, and we always go to one of the race days in the car show. It's always a nice time. Take the kids, spend the day.
Yes, take the whole family.
Take the whole family.
Like about the Grand Prix events?
In general, the noise, just the old cars. I mean, this is a vintage event, and so I think just seeing the old race cars, the history, all of just the cool mechanical stuff, and the noise. So, yeah, it's fun.
Yeah, it's very interesting. So, how long have you been coming to these events?
Oh boy, probably for about the last 10 years I've been going to races, but for a little bit longer than that I've been going to cars.
Well, everyone, that's all the time I have here today. We've seen cars from BMWs to Lamborghinis and Ferraris, so make sure to check out PCTV's YouTube channel to check out more content. This is Taylor Jones. I'll see you later.